Hello, I'm Juliette Coinet, Product Manager for the MT range, and today I'm pleased to present you the new MT1840. This machine is part of the MT range, available from 4 to 18 meters and is dedicated to construction market. MT1840 stands for Manitou, telescopic, 18 meters lifting 8, 4 tons capacity, and the Easy refers to all 75 horsepower engine without AdBlue. This machine is dedicated to many construction applications such as load handling with forks, bucket and hook, bulk material or concrete mixing. The MT1840 is the perfect telehandler for masons, carpenters, roofers or cladders. The MT1840 has been designed for performance and versatility. We have a high ground clearance of 42 centimeters, a permanent 4-wheel drive and 4-wheel steer, 24-inch tires, and a torque converter transmission with a good motricity and a good traction. Performance means also high capacity. This machine is able to lift 4 tons maximum capacity and a pallet of 1.2 tons at 11 meters outreach on stabilizers. This machine is fitted with the Manitou standard carriage with the possibility to use all the Manitou attachments or even hydraulic attachments such as concrete bucket or sweeper. The MT1840 is easy to maintain and designed for cost efficiency. We have a new engine hood completely redesigned to provide a better rear and lateral visibility. You've got an easy engine hood opening. This machine is fitted with a Dutz 75 horsepower State 5 engine. You have a very wide access to all maintenance components with the air filter, the oil filter, the cooling liquid, the fuel pre-filter and the fuel filter. This machine is available with the EcoStop function as an option. It automatically stops the engine and the hour meter when the driver is out of the cab, in order to reduce the fuel consumption. The machine is equipped with a heavy-duty engine hood made of Telen with an increased resistance to impact on job sites, but also to heat and vibrations. We also have the protection of the tire valve, and the lower part of the door is in steel, which is more robust than glass. The MT1840 is a safe machine. We have the Easy Connect system in standard. It enables the hydraulic line to be depressurized and facilitate the connection and disconnection of hydraulic attachment. We also have the automatic parking brake with hill start assist. The new cabin cutoff of the MT1840 offers a simplified access. Thanks to the new Easy Step access, it's very easy to get on and off the cab, avoiding falls and reducing driver's fatigue. We have a very comfortable and spacious cab with a good 360 degrees visibility. The MT1840 is very easy to use with a simple and modular dashboard. All the controls are clearly identified with symbols and color codes. You can also choose the position of your double switch buttons. The new Harmony screen will help you to increase your productivity. It indicates the maintenance frequency, the moving speed, the time, and many other useful informations. We also have the JSM joystick, patented by Manitou, and it's the best solutions of market in terms of comfort and ergonomics. To conclude, the MT1840 is the best solution for construction applications. It has maximum lifting height of 18 meters, 4 tons capacity, a very good roof terrain ability, it's easy to maintain, it's robust, with good finishings and very easy to use.